Hey, what's up people? It's a boy Vijay here, back again with another video. So yeah, welcome back everyone. So as you have seen in the title, I am back again with another new topic today. So today I will be showing you how to link up Bootstrap with your HTML and HTML file. So what is basically Bootstrap? Bootstrap is basically the CSS file that is pre-written by the team in the Twitter. It was created by the Twitter guys and the people that created Twitter. So they made a collection of CSS files, so and put it in a file and then named it as Bootstrap, and where people can link up that file CSS file to your HTML file and can get that attractive CSS styles. And that's it. It is simple, pretty much. It is pretty. Suppose that for example, it is like a library that is written totally, and you just have to just call that library, and it will do its work. That beautiful, stylish bootstraps. So and it will give a modern day look to it. So how to begin with Bootstrap? So first we will head on to their original website, that is good getbootstrap.com. That is the official website. The current version till the date today, that is 8/11 2020, is 5. The 5 Bootstrap 5 has released, but we will use Bootstrap 4.5, and that is currently much more bugless, that is exactly we can say. So and it is in major use. So there are two ways we can use Bootstrap for getting the responsive fast and responsive sites. First way is the online method, second way is the offline method. So for the offline method, you can see there are two options: get started and download. So for the offline method, you need to download, put it in a file and link up to it just like you do with the CSS file. But in case of online method, it is way too much easy. You just need to have an online internet connection while running your website, and I hope that you will have that. And so in that case, what we'll do is we just give, they will provide us the CDN links, and we will just paste it into our website HTML file, and it will get linked up to their online repositories that the Bootstrap they have saved on their servers. So it is way much simpler and way much clean, and I use that much. I use that very often instead of the download version. So you can download here, click on it, and you can get for first time showing for the download. So you can get compiled CSS and JS version. It has also pre-written JavaScripts for animation and other functions. And you just need to download this one compiled CSS, or you can download the source file. So as you can see, the JS the package managers are there. You can also use the npm to install Bootstrap. So it is the Node.js powered apps for that one. It has also Yarn, Ruby Gems for other. So this was the download one. You just need to click on download, save the file, paste it onto the your folder, and link up. That's the normal case. So I will not go with that one. I will go with the online version. So let's get started. So here you can see get started. We have the CSS link up file. You just click on copy and paste it. And here you have the Java and jQuery link up file. And you can also get a separate version of it. So and also you suppose you don't want to, you just want to jumpstart it with everything written, that is the HTML code and brackets, everything. The format of the basic HTML is written. So here you just need to go and click on this copy, and it is already connected with this file. So and I will then jump to my editor. I'm using Sublime Text here, paste it, save it, no need to put this, save it, and here is my file. I will run it. So here you can see hello world. That is the basic of every programmer's first program, is this hello world. every time, every language, everything. So yeah, and now we will just you can see it is written. So now we will just give a little tweaks. So we will write hello world. This is Joy here. Uh, on my YouTube. Please, we will cut this part. Control X, Control V. Not now. We'll first enter this and shit. We'll first enter the center tag. Then we'll paste that one. And now we will use Bootstrap. That is the libraries that they have. So you can use, like, we will give a button. So this is the normal HTML type button. So we will write here subscribe. The main motto is to subscribe this channel. And now we will show you, this is a basic HTML, and that is the worst button that you can get onto the website nowadays. So here, but it's the beginning of everything, so let us not diss it. And now we will see, you can see the button. So let us improve that button with Bootstrap. So what we can improve here is that by using class. So there are pre-written class that we can use, as in the basic CSS you know it. So we will write here class, and we will use btn first. That will ensure that it is a button, and then we will give it a color button, not primary. We will give it a danger. So here it is. Now see the change in the button. Yeah, there you go. Doesn't it look that it is a button for nowadays modern website use? So there are many colors with this part, so we can always give it copy, paste. Let us do this type of, we'll give it default. We will then use primary. We will use, so the last one is success. Let us change this, not to take it as default. We'll take it as a warning. So this will be the four colors. Let us see what are these four colors. And here you go. So you can see the four colors. That is the this we it is they have named it as danger, that is red, warning as yellow, primary as blue, subscribe as green, and let us also go with the default. Here it is default. It will be just simple default. It doesn't have any background. So this is how it is done. So if you like this, then do this part and subscribe to my channel. So this is how Bootstrap is used. So let me show you few examples with Bootstrap. So you can read the documentation. I know everyone doesn't like, first of all, at first I didn't like to read documentation, but the documentation helps a lot. So read the documentation. So here are a few examples with Bootstrap. So you can see this type of website. It is completely purely made on Bootstrap. So you can also make this type of website. So this type of, let me show this type of website. You will see on the mobile phone websites and electronics website. You can also see there in Apple, the apple.com. You can also get this type of vibes in the apple.com. So yeah, this type of website you can make directly with Bootstrap. And yeah, That's it. You can get many other, you can make a dashboard with Bootstrap. You can get different pages here, integrated, hyperlinked. You can also make this clean classic login site with Bootstrap. So yeah, so you can do much more stuff. So just go ahead, jump into Bootstrap and make beautiful websites. You can also there is a website that is W3 schools. You can also go to w3schools.com. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. I have used this one, and if W3 schools is watching, please, then we can have a talk. But this is the website. You can learn a lot from this part. They have a lot of stuff for Bootstrap, basic in that you all need: tables, columns, colors, buttons, forms, inputs, modal, toolkit, popper, toast, flex, icons, etc., filters, and anything. You can get everything here to learn and go hit your first website with Bootstrap. That's it in this video. Hope you like this video. Share this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you up in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace.